Transfers, we there for your ride. Island soul, pure delight, let's go. Ride the vibe with a rum by your side. From airport gate to ocean tide. Smile wide, let the sunshine guide. We are your link on this island ride. No delay, no stress inside. Jamaican jive morning or night. Up in clean, crew smooth and nice. Aurum Transfers, sweet like spice. We roll from Norman Manley to Treasure Beach. Negril sunsets us just in reach. Name sign high when your plane touchdown. Welcome with a smile, no run around. Talk up the things blue, lagoon views. On the road, reggae sweet like stew. Stop by Boston, jerk smoking here. You feel the vibe soon as you're there at home. Cruising yacht style, man. Every mile, feel the land. Island tour, custom plan. Book it now, ride the brand. This not just transfer, it's connection, culture, care and sweet direction. We there on time, we know the way. Aurum make your day feel like vacay. So whether you a couple or traveling solo, the view out the window, straight photo. From airport to villa, we always show that island heart, you soon come know. Ride the vibe, Aurum Transfers true. Island smiles, fresh sky so blue. This year trip, let it shine bright too. With Aurum, we ride with you. Yeah, yeah, ride the vibe. Aurum by your side. One yard, one ride, one time, let's roll in style.